Hi, my dear friends. I'm very happy to welcome you all for our online job network. This is our official website. With the help of this website, you can get all the information regarding this online job and see if you are searching for a genuine online job means this is the great opportunity and this is the perfect video for you because we are having more than 500 customers in this online job and they are getting a successful payment in a daily, weekly and monthly basis. You can choose any payment method as per your convenient. Okay, because we are providing three payment methods: daily, weekly and monthly. You can choose it, and please watch this video sincerely and carefully for next 12 minutes because finally while this video gets ends you can get clear idea about the online job and you can start your work immediately without any doubt. My name is Rizwan. My native is Salem, Tamil Nadu. This is our registered mobile number. We will contact you always through this particular mobile number. If you get any other call from any other mobile number means please don't believe them. If you want to chat with us, then you can use this ID. Requirements: computer and internet connection is necessary to do this online job and normal internet speed is enough. You can choose this job as part-time and full-time according to your time permits. See, already I told you that if you spend at least 2 to 3 hours daily means you can earn 1000 to 1500 every day without any doubt. It is a guaranteed income. Everyone can work here because there is no age limit and no previous experience needed and there is no time limit and no target. See, we have classified this work as three level, that is beginner, developer and achiever. According to your knowledge you can choose the work level. For the beginner level, uh, you should need computer and internet connection. That is necessary for all the three level, but everyone can work in the beginner level. Okay, so they no need any they do no need any type of computer and browsing knowledge. Okay, so they can anyone can work in the beginner level. And next is the developer level. They should need at least, I mean, little bit of computer and browsing knowledge. And next is the achiever level. Achieve this for this achiever level they should need a computer and browsing knowledge. But for this particularly three level we will give a proper guidance. So with the help of our guidance you can choose any work and you can start and you can get a successful payment in both the three levels. Next is a level 1 beginner. See, in this beginner level we will give you a 600 fixed advertisements per day. You have to just click the advertisement, that's it. Okay, so this is a simple work, that's why we are saying it as a beginner level. So in this beginner level you have to just click the 600 advertisements. For each and every advertisement we will pay you 50 paise. So daily income will be 300 rupees and the monthly income will be 9000 rupees. And in this same beginner level we are having the next category, that is paid email job. So here the fixed email will be 200 and daily you can earn see, daily you can earn 200 rupees. For each and every email we are paying, I mean, 1 rupees. So totally daily income will be 200 rupees and the monthly income will be 6000 rupees. So the if you add this 6000 with that pay per click job means totally it will take 15,000. 9,000 plus 6,000, it is 15,000 you can earn per month in from this beginner level. So this is the great opportunity who are all in the beginner level. And next is the developer level. We always recommend this level because even ourselves we are doing this work. Okay, even my relatives, my friends, my students, everyone, most of them are using this developer level and they are getting successful payment from this developer level. In this developer level, YouTube, survey, virtual assistant, inbound call center, building applications, selling photos, paid writing, e-tuitions, buying and selling domains, transcriptions works are there. See, different types of categories are there. You can choose any work and you can start the work. Okay, and this YouTube means, see, in this YouTube work they will give you some task. You have to give a positive comment on this YouTube. Okay, so for the YouTube video So once they will receive the positive comment for this YouTube video, they will pay you. Okay, and next is a survey. This survey will take at least 30 to 40 minutes, but for each and every 30 to 40 minutes survey, they will pay you more than 350 rupees. And next is a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is nothing but personal assistant. You have to act as a personal assistant from home. Okay, you no need to meet, I mean, you have to act as a personal assistant for VIP, and you no need to meet them. You can act from, you can act as a personal assistant from home. And next is a inbound call center. So this is same as call center work, but you have to work from home with the help of internet connection. And next is a building application. See, if you are well equipped with the software knowledge means, then you can choose this work, and you have to build the application like Android, Windows application, and for each and every application you can get some sufficient income. And next, selling photos. For this you need some highly costly camera. And if your photography, see, if you are having a well photography knowledge, then you can earn from it. And next is a paid writing. If you are having a writing knowledge means, then you can earn from this paid writing. And next is the e-tuition. So this is the highest paid work, because if you take class for at least 1 hour means, they will pay you more than 3000 for 1 hour class. And next is a buying and selling domain. Here we have to just buy the domain, and we have to sell the domain, that's it. And next is a transcription. This is also same as paid writing work. This is but this is regarding, this depends on the medical work. Okay, medical department, this is totally transcription work is. And next is, see, and don't think about this, how can we manage in this all the works. I mean, we are having YouTube, survey, virtual assistant, so we are having so many works, whether it is possible to do or not. Don't think about this. See, this is just a demo video. Okay, once you join with us as a member, we will send you a clear detailed video with all the login details for each and every work. Okay, so in that video you can get the details how to log in it, and how to start the work, and how to get the payment. Okay, so all the details in a step by step procedure will be available in that particular video. Okay, so don't worry about it. So we will give a proper guidance. With the help of our proper guidance, you can choose any work, because in that video, so the total size of that particular video is 700 MB. So in the 700 MB video, we have explained all the three level 1, level 2, and level 3. So you can choose any work, and you can start according to your interest. Okay, and the next thing, see here, see, already I told you, sign up work. So for sign up work, they are paying $0.10. $0.10 means it is nearly around 6 rupees, I think, in Indian rupee. Okay, and next, see here, 479 works are there. So total work done is 385. So total balance works are there. Then you can select the job and do. So next, see, $20 for, see, they are paying $0.20. So like that they are paying you. So you can choose any work. So this is just a simple sign up work. Okay, same as like Google sign up, I mean Gmail sign up. So okay, so this takes up to just 2 to 3 minutes. For every 2 to 3 minutes they are paying 10 rupees, 15 rupees, like that. Okay, so within 2 to 3 hours you can earn 500 rupees, 600 rupees easily with the help of this developer level. See, YouTube comment work, I already told you, in the developer level YouTube work, that is same as this. And YouTube, so you have to give a positive comment. For positive comment, they are paying you 12.12 and these are all the work levels. So same as like YouTube work, here you have to give a positive review for iTunes, and they are paying $0.15. So here this is the e-tuition work. See here how many classes are there. See, you are having different categories of classes, and you can take a class for any standard, and you can get paid very high in this particular e-tuition work. Okay, of achiever work. See, this achiever work is very much difficult to explain in this particular video, because this is I mean, we have to spend more time for it, but you can earn very huge income in this achiever level. Okay, we have to create a website and we have to promote this website, and once we promote that website we will get some commission. Okay, so we will guide you throughout this about this achiever level in that particular video. Okay, otherwise if you want to get more information about it means just please call me, I will explain. See, this is the payment method: beginner, developer, and achiever. Beginner, daily, weekly, monthly payment is there. For developer, daily, weekly method is there, and achiever, daily method is there. You can choose any payment method. We will pay you through check or otherwise direct bank transfer. You can choose any payment method, but PAN card is necessary for both the two method. See, if you want to join with us, you just open this website. After that, click how to join. So once you click this how to join, then after that you have to pay 300. Okay, by using debit, credit, or net banking. Otherwise, if you don't have this facility, then you can directly deposit on our SBI or Indian Bank. You can get the account number from our website itself. And once you once the payment is done, you will receive the login details within 15 minutes. Okay, and one more thing, see, what is the reason for collecting this 300 rupees means I'm sending you all the details, I mean all the work details in a video format for your reference. That will be very useful for you. You can download that video and you can upload it in your mobile, otherwise in your laptop. Whenever you have free time, you can watch that video twice, thrice to know about the work nature detailing. Okay, and we will send you all the level of videos, I mean level 1, level 2, level 3, both the 3 level work details in that particular video. So once you watch that both the 3 level, you can choose any level as per your choice. Okay, and one more thing, see, I can't do everything as free. Okay, so I need some support, because for this I need an internet connection, and for to support you I need an internet connection and I need a phone connection, because I am giving missed call service. Okay, so we are the only Indian company giving a missed call service. Whenever you have doubt, you just give me a missed call to clarify all your doubts. Okay, so for that internet charge and phone charge only we are collecting this small amount. Okay, more than that there is no registration fee and there is no hidden fees. Okay, so start your work today. You are paying just 300, but you can get this 300 through our online job within 24 hours. So I'm very sure about it. I'm giving most guaranteed about of that income. Okay, so you start your work now and you can earn, I mean you can start your earning from tomorrow itself. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you just contact me, and please don't simply avoid this video, because if you simply avoid this, then you will be a loser. Okay, you are just paying only 300 rupees, but you are getting a continuous lifetime support with us. Okay, thank you very much. And if you are having any doubt, please contact this mobile number, otherwise give just a missed call, I will contact you. Thank you and all the best.